Take a ride in the 2022 Sonata Hybrid. This all-new hybrid has all the style and premiums you expect in a Sonata, along with 37 city, 39 highway miles per gallon. And unlike other hybrids on the market, it uses a breakthrough lithium polymer battery pack, which runs cooler, lighter, and is shapeable for optimum packaging. More power, less fuel, no guilt. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, driver illuminated vanity mirror, front wheel drive. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.